Hey guys, that's me, Ramadi, and welcome to a new video. Today we'll be exploring the top 5 ways to make halal income in 2023. So without further ado, let's dive straight in. Number 5 on our list is online freelancing. In today's digital age, freelancing has become a fantastic way to make money while maintaining a flexible schedule. Whether you have skills in graphic design, writing, programming, or even video editing, there's a vast range of opportunities waiting for you on platforms like Upwork and Fiverr. So put your talents to good use and start making money from the comfort of your own home. If you're looking for a voice actor, I also have a profile on Fiverr, so yeah, feel free to contact me there. Now, moving on to number 4, we have e-commerce. Ever dreamt of having your own online store? Well, now you can. E-commerce platforms like Shopify and Etsy have made it incredibly easy to start selling products and reach customers worldwide. Whether you're selling handmade crafts, unique clothing items, or even niche products, the possibilities are endless. So get your entrepreneurial spirit on and let's make some halal money. Again, with number 4, I also do have an Etsy account. My shop is called Islamic Marvels, so please do check it out. And on the Shopify side, I also have another website called www.unabuyers.com. We're selling abayas for Eid. So yeah, do get your orders in straight away. And if you do want to see more videos on those types of side hustles I have, please do comment below and like the video so I can know. So now let's jump on to number 3, the stock market. So investing in the stock market can be a great way to grow your growth over time. With proper research, analysis and guidance, you can find halal investment opportunities in companies that align with your values. It's important to educate yourself about the market and seek advice from knowledgeable professionals to make informed investment decisions. So let's dive into the world of stocks and watch our money grow. So obviously here you need to be careful on what types of stocks you're investing into. You don't want to invest in any stocks that are involved in things that are haram, e.g. things like tobacco, and if they're making bombs like BAE Systems, you probably shouldn't invest in that company. Now let's move on to number 2. We have the real estate. So, investing in real estate has been a time-tested strategy to generate wealth. Whether you choose residential properties, commercial spaces, or even rental properties, the real estate market offers numerous opportunities for halal earnings. But remember, it's essential to do your due diligence, research the market, and seek expert advice before diving into real estate investing. Let's build our wealth brick by brick. Also here, you must be careful. You don't want to be taking any interest loans out, which is haram in Islam. So you need to find alternatives. I know there's a few companies that operate in the UK who offer such types of halal loans, such as Gatehouse Bank, Al Rayyan, and even Stride Up. So yeah, do look for alternatives, or you don't want to fall into interest. Now, finally, the moment you've been waiting for. Our number 1 halal way to make money in 2023 is entrepreneurship. That's right, folks. Becoming an entrepreneur is the ultimate way to take control of your financial destiny. Starting your own business allows you to pursue your passions, solve problems, and create value for others while making a profit. Whether it's a small home-based venture or a large-scale enterprise, the sky's the limit. So let your creative juices flow, embrace the challenges, and let's make some halal money through entrepreneurship. And that wraps up our list of top 5 ways to make money. I hope you have enjoyed this video, and let me know in your comments what you think about this and what your top 5 would be, and are there any potential sources of income that I have missed out that should be in this top 5 halal list for 2023. And as always, be sure to like, subscribe and share. Stay within the boundaries of Islam whenever you go into these different adventures. Peace.